Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's tinted roof on this Polaris RZR Turbo S. So let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to need to do is remove your factory roof if you have one equipped. We've already done this, so now we're going to head on over here to the next step. So we've removed our roof from the box from SuperATV. Now we're going to lay it up on the roof of the machine to ensure that this is going to fit this year, make, and model. Going to take it and lay the curved portion back towards the back side. You're just going to want to slide it up here and just make sure that the curved portion is towards the rear of the machine. Make sure you get it up onto the cage everywhere. And then line your two front holes with the two front holes on the cage. Looks good here. Let's check out the rear. Make sure our rear holes line up. Looks like they're going to line up as well. It looks like we're all good. So we're going to go ahead and remove the roof. And we'll set it aside for just a second here. Then you're going to want to grab your flat seal out of the hardware kit. And you're going to want to apply the flat seal all the way along the back side of this cage rail here, all the way to the corner, and then go around, follow the outside all the way to the front. Then once you get right here, run another piece. Follow the contours and bends of the cage. That way it goes all the way around, so when we bolt our roof down, it's not laying directly up against the cage. This machine's previously had a roof on it, so it already has the seal in place. So we're just gonna go ahead and leave it. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove the protective film off of both sides of the roof. And we're just gonna take our roof and orient it just like we showed you for when you were checking to make sure that it fit. Get your holes lined up. And then we're gonna grab our hardware kit. Just gonna take one of the screws and a sealing washer and slide it through just like this. That way the rubber of the sealing washer is facing down towards the roof. You may have to take a small Phillips head screwdriver and just kind of pop the seal out of the threads and just go ahead and get it started. And we'll just continue doing this for all the holes. Once we have all our screws started, we're going to go ahead and go through and fully tighten them all. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's tinted roof on this Polaris RZR Turbo S. For more information on this roof or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.